Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update for Tuesday 5th of April. And what is going on with SLP? We saw a nice good pump for 2 days, and so far we've actually pumped for like 35% to the upside ever since I was recording the videos down here. So my entry was literally like down here, so whoever took the entries was enjoying a nice 35% pump to the upside, and that's incredible for an intraday trading. Okay, all right, so what I see is something that is mega bullish. Okay, really bullish, and that is known as a bull cross, guys. SLP just made a freaking whooping bull cross at this point of time. Do you see that? This is the most bullish things you're ever going to see in crypto, and that is a confirmation ticket that you want to buy the coin actually, and you don't want to sell the coin in terms of cryptocurrency. Okay, but at this point of time, it's like you're making a little bit of a retracement to the downside. So I do expect, even if you were about to retrace, you retrace to the 10 EMA, which is this blue line which is moving. I'm pretty sure it's not visible, so let's change the color here. Boom, I'm gonna turn it into the yellow, and just like that. Okay, now this yellow line that you see is the 10 EMA, and previously what I actually showed you is a repetition of a fractal, basically. So what is this repetition of the fractal? I want to show you up right now. I was talking about how it's possible for SLP to mirror exactly this thing. Okay, so if it does mirror, we are gonna go up to the 0.0718. Okay, and what you might see is something very similar to this, a little bit of a red two days of a red candle, and then boom, 2 days of a red candle over here, take a rest, and then boom, up we go to the upside. Okay, and that would actually make sense, because what I want to see for SLP is now that it actually comes and backtest the EMAs. Okay, so the EMA backtesting is really important, which is the 10 EMA. You can see we've been above the 10 EMA. Even over here, when people are actually fearful that, oh no, we're going down, actually SLP, whenever it went down, you can see it was holding the 10 EMA by the thread, and now it went up and it's far away from the 10 EMA. Can it come down a little bit to the 10 EMA? That's okay. Or we might see SLP actually moving sideways, and then the 10 actually catches up. You make a nice ascending triangle, and then boom, you continue to the upside. That's what I'm looking for, and I am really expecting that SLP does actually go to this level. And finger crossed, let's see what happens. It's actually quite believable. It's also a target on the Fibonacci retracement. So if I actually show you the Fib retracement level, taking 41 all the way down to nearly 150 right over here, you can already see that that's nearly the 1.618 of the target. Do you see that? 1.618. So it does make sense to me. It does really make sense. And right now you can see, where are you being restricted, guys? You're being restricted at the 0.618. You still haven't crossed it. You really need to cross the 283. Once you cross the 283 level, then you're going to be putting yourself in a journey to actually go all the way up to 0.0748. So are you looking for an entry? Potentially wait for the break of 0.0283, and you hold the 0.0283. Okay, because now this is resistance. Once you break resistance, hold support, take an entry, boom, then you're gonna ride all the way up to the heavens, which is gonna be almost from here to here, 153% of money. Damn, amazing. But right now you're not doing that. Okay, you really have to cross the 0.0283 and hold it. So I'm just gonna leave it like that, and that's my final comment on the SLP. And guys, if you're really liking, enjoying all these contents I'm putting out, and you want to learn trading as well, do check the course out. The course is out there, and it's gonna be 29 bucks for paying with cryptocurrency. Just join the Discord, come to the announcement tabs, click on my name, message me, and I'm going to tell you how to pay with 29 bucks for crypto. It's really very straightforward. It hardly takes 5 minutes for the process, and why not, guys? 17-18 hours of content out there, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.